Okay, welcome back. This is part 3 of your test corrections video for the regular 6th grade math classes. This problem says Jamie has 4 grades in the gradebook. Her grades are a 93, a 98, an 89, and a 100. She forgot to do last night's homework and earned a 0. How much did her mean just decrease? So we remember that mean is average. And to find the average, we add our numbers up and we divide by how many numbers there are. A lot of people missed this problem because we didn't read that it says how much did it decrease. So we found the mean first. We added these numbers up. So 8 plus 9 is 17. Plus 3 is 18, 19, 20. And carry the 2. 9 plus 8. And plus 2 will be 28. And carry the 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 380. Now that was also an answer choice, but it's the wrong answer choice because to find mean we have to divide by how many numbers there are. 380 divided by 4. 4 times 9 is 36. And we subtract and get a 2. And then we bring down this 0. 4 times 5 is 20. We subtract and get a 0. So the average is 95. But that's not the answer. That was the first average that she had. So that's a trick answer. Okay, the next part, we wanted to know after she got a 0 on her homework. So we have the same first 4 grades, but we're going to add a 0 this time in there. Well, my sum is still going to be 380 because I took the same 4 numbers and I added a 0. That total did not change. But now I'm dividing it by 5 instead of 4 because there are 5 numbers. So 380 divided by 5. 5 times 7 is 35. Now subtract and get a 3. And bring down the 0. 5 times 6 is 30. And I subtract and get 0. The new average is 76. But again, it's not asking for the new average. That's a trick answer. It's asking you for how much did it decrease. So you take the original average and you subtract the new average and you then get 19 for the difference. That's how much it decreased. So that answer is 19. Okay, next one. Tony got a job at the mall. He makes $11.70 per hour. If he works 15.5 hours in 1 week, how much will he have earned? So this is a multiplication problem. $11.70 times 15.5 hours. Okay, so we start right here and start multiplying. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 7 is 35, and I carry a 3. 5 times 1 is 5, plus that 3 is 8. 5 times 1 is 5. Okay, now I'm done with that 5, and I go to the tens place. So I'll start with a 0. 5 times 0. 5 times 7 is 35. I write my 5 and carry the 3. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus that 3 is an 8. 5 times 1 is 5. Oh, I'm not done yet. I'm not done to add. So I'm going to add 2 zeros because I'm now in the hundreds place. 1 times 0. 1 times 7. 1 times 1. And 1 times 1 again. Now I add all of these up. 5 plus 8 is 13. Carry that 1. 8 plus 7 is 15. Plus 5 is 20. Plus 1 is 21. Carry your 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then a 1. In my entire problem, there were 2 decimals, but there were 3 digits written after the decimal. So my answer has 3 digits after the decimal. So it's $181.35. Be sure that you show all the work on your test corrections and show me what mistake that you made when you solved this. Okay, Celin is trying to put football players in order from least to greatest on how many yards they contributed to Monday's game. John lost 8 yards. So I'm going to write John. He lost 8. That's -8. Brian gained 15 yards. So that's an increase of 15 yards. Tim gained 50. So we add 50 there. Jax lost 15 yards. Maybe he had a fumble or something, and he lost 15 yards. That would be a negative 15. And Chad won 29 yards. So we're going to add, make it a positive 29. So we're not adding or anything here. All we're doing is putting them in order from least to greatest based on their yards at the end of the game. So the smallest number here on this entire list is Jax at negative 15. The next smallest number, the only one that's negative, would be John at negative 8. Okay, and then we have three positive numbers. We have a 15, a 15, a 29. So the smallest one would be the positive 15. The next smallest would be a positive 29, and then a positive 50. That is those are these five numbers in order from least to greatest. Negative 15, negative 8, positive 15, positive 29, and positive 50. You can put these on a number line, and it will also help you determine least to greatest. Okay, the last two questions will be on your next video.